Today on the channel, Google Ads adds search partners to PMax channel performance reports. Boy, that's a mouthful. Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so that was quite a tongue twister up front. Today's a really quick one for you. Google has thankfully provided even more data and intelligence to the channel performance report by recently adding search partners. And we can see here, um, pretty small investment. I know I've got this grayed out, but you can see search partners made up $28, whereas search is almost 14K in the last 30 days for this account. So we can see not much of an investment here. That's probably a good thing for most accounts, because search partners does tend to be a source of lower quality clicks akin to display. We can see here, interestingly enough, we do have pretty good flow through of conversions. And if I do a drill down, we can see better that we actually got about a little more than the 100% ROAS, and that's around the target for this account. So that's all good. Anyway, it's a small but nice little added feature, something to keep an eye on to make sure that your spending doesn't balloon on search partners. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.